Grok AI and ChatGPT are supposedly the kings of AI, but let's be real, most of their best features are now locked behind a $20 a month paywall. But what if I told you that Grok is already being replaced? Today, I'm showing you 5 AI tools that feel illegal to know because they are completely free to use. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just like your WhatsApp or Meta app. We're talking about Hollywood-level video, 4K images, and professional coding assistants that do the work for you. And the last one on this list? It's the reason I stopped paying for AI entirely. Let's look at tool number 5. First up is Google Image FX. While everyone is paying for Midjourney, Google quietly released the most powerful image generator on the planet for free. It uses the new Imagen 4 model. You don't just get a picture, you get chips that let you change the style, the lighting, and the mood with one click. It's photorealistic, it's instant, and it costs exactly $0. Tool number 4 is for the researchers and creators. Stop paying for ChatGPT Plus just to upload files. Gemini 3 Flash is now free, and it has a massive brain called a context window. You can drop an entire 500-page book or 2 hours of YouTube footage into it, and it will summarize it, find the secrets, and write your scripts in seconds. It's faster than Grok and completely free. Number 3 is for the faceless YouTube creators. Pika 2.5 is the social media machine. You can take any boring photo and make it melt, explode, or start talking. This is how the big channels are getting millions of views without ever showing their face. It's like having a Hollywood special effects team for the price of a Meta app. Free. Tool number 2 is for the builders and the dreamers. If you've ever wanted to build your own website or an AI app, but you don't know how to code, Claude Sonnet 4.6 is your senior developer. It writes code that actually works the first time. I use this to help build my own platforms, and it's more human and more accurate than Grok will ever be. And finally, the number 1 tool that feels most illegal to know. Most creators pay $50 a month for professional voices, but this hidden gem, AlphaTekx Voice, gives you that same premium quality for free. It uses a multi-API system to ensure you always have the best narrator for your videos. Whether you're doing a mystery story or a tech tutorial, this is the voice of the future. I built this to help creators like you win without going broke. You can find the link in the description. The era of paying for basic AI is over. If you want to see me build a full faceless channel using only these free tools, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is the AI Architect, and I'll see you in the next one.